Hello guys, today I want to show you a quick trick with Laravel migrations. What if you need a new migration for a new table that would be executed before the migration you're currently working with? So I've just started coding this new demo project for upcoming video and maybe course, not sure, and there is contact information for employee and there is a state which according to the official job description should be a drop down. And this is based on the real job from Upwork. It would be about filament, but the information about employee, it says first name, last name, other words, and state dropdown. But I decided to start with employee migration and was just building that. And by the way, PHP Storm AI Assistant, local AI assistant, suggested string state for me. So I just moved on and forgot about it, placing the to-do here. And now I'm back to this to-do and I realized that I needed table states. But the problem is if I do PHP Artisan make migration now, that new migration would be executed after the employees table because it's done according to the timestamp of migrations, the migration files. So what to do in this case? You can rename migration file. Let me demonstrate. So in the terminal, I execute make model state with migration and then seeds because I will seed the states of United States, and we have a new migration file on the left. And we need to make it execute higher than employees table because states table should be before employees. So it would be possible to create a foreign key from employees to states. And one of the ways to solve that is to rename the migration file to be a bit earlier, like a second or two earlier than this timestamp. So this is exactly what I will do. Refactor, rename, and then file name 74640. For example, 1 second earlier, and now that file is earlier than employees, and now in employees table I can change string state to foreign ID state constraint, like this. So yeah, the trick here is to rename the file name of migration because that would determine the order, what happens after you run PHP Artisan migrate. Of course, you can do that only in case when migrations have not been executed yet on your local machine or even worse, staging or production server. But if you are in the starting process of your project and just trying to create tables in migration files, I think this is a pretty neat trick. What do you think? Or maybe you would suggest some alternative way. How would you solve that situation? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into structuring databases with Laravel, with migrations and general database structure, pretty recently we updated a course on Laravel daily. In the newest updated courses, there's structuring databases in Laravel, 18 lessons with quite a lot of topics inside, like relationships, how to structure relationships, belongs to many, polymorphic, naming stuff, UUIDs, foreign keys, JSON, and other topics. I will link that course in the description below. That's it for this time and see you guys in other videos.